Hi, my name is Etienne. I'm the CEO and the co-founder at Stellium. We're an IT consulting company, and we are present today here in the Swiss IT Forum in Geneva, Expo, here to present our services around generative AI. Everybody is using AI today, and we're doing Gen AI based on Microsoft technology, but not only. We have OpenAI working with Copilot, Copilot Studio, and the AI solution are for enterprise, small to medium to large organization, for managing AI with the organization. Okay. We also have solutions for your business, meaning the enhancement and the streamlining of your processes, and we help your employee gain efficiency and productivity.
Because an employee who has good efficiency is much happier, no?
It should be. I mean, it's not only about productivity and getting efficiency, it's also about
doing a not boring job, right? Doing interesting job.
AI will help you to actually simplify the non-really so interesting tasks that are recurring, that are time-consuming, so you can focus on what brings value for you and the organization.
So
we have implemented a little games based on GPT, OpenAI. It's ChatGPT 4.0. And the game is simply a kind of trivial pursuit, right? We can initiate a game based on any topic of your interests. So we can go to a TV show, a movie. What would you like to do?
Paragliding.
Okay, let's go with this. And we can even choose the language. So let's choose English and let's start it. This will generate 10 questions based on this topic, which you can help me.
I think paraglider.
Okay. So the interesting thing here, and I'm answering a bit nonsense answer at the moment, but it's to see that the power of GPT will create very quickly a quiz to help you mastering, reworking a topic. So we can project ourselves into having this kind of GPT inside of the organization. And I think it's interesting from a gamification point of view for training, education, evolution, and it's essentially to demonstrate and show the capabilities of the product.
So you are the consulting and technology partner for AI innovation?
Yes, absolutely. We created Stellium 5 years ago in Switzerland, and we have our offices in Lyon, and we also have a nearshore office in Lisbon. We started based on Microsoft ground. We have solid background when it comes to the technology with Microsoft. Recently, with the explosion, I would say, of ChatGPT 2 years ago, we decided to refocus our services around enterprise AI, still leveraging this core competency that we have on the Microsoft cloud ecosystem and solution.
Where are your customers?
Customers are based in Switzerland, mainly large organization to medium business. Around the Lemon Lake, I would say, we have multinational, ONG, even public sectors. And with Portugal, we also opened the Portuguese market.
And it could be even bigger market?
It could be. I mean, we started 5 years ago. We are 3. Today we are 35 people. We are looking to grow. We are looking to have new professionals joining us. But mainly, I think there is still an interesting market here in Switzerland and in Europe. Let's see what comes afterwards.
There's so many questions in this area, no? So many companies want to figure out how to use it correctly.
Exactly. So, I mean, I do think everybody knows what it is now because, I mean, this is quite used a bit everywhere, but on the world of the company, this takes a bit more structure, organization. It's a new services as per se. It's not like the IT can drive this initiative by themselves. Essentially, the use case and the needs comes from the business, comes from the operation. And what's interesting to see is that with any client that we work with, we see some solution that could be repeated for different industry and functions across different clients. So that is quite interesting.
And you're able to mention some success stories in terms of how working with you helps companies get much more efficient and stuff?
Here in the forum we had a session, a conference just an hour ago, and we introduced 2 concrete cases in education and in the healthcare. We work with the education sector to help students into the selection and the management of their training program. And in the healthcare sector we help hospitals to make sure there is less admin work using the power of generative AI and make sure the healthcare professional can focus on what values, meaning patient care.
Did you say 35 people in the company?
In the company, yeah, 35 people strong.
And many of them in Lyon?
Well, half. I mean, half of our company is based in Switzerland and the rest in Lisbon. I'm looking to grow more our Lisbon office lately, which is a bit more dynamic.
What is skills that somebody needs to be part of your team?
What does it take to be in Stellium? This is quite tricky. We work quite picky when it comes to recruitment. It takes a strong background when it comes to technology. You can be a developer, an IT pro, an infrastructure expert, regardless. You need to have an interest for AI and for innovation, that's for sure. And most importantly, you need to be a consultant at heart. We need the consulting mindset, meaning we don't necessarily need IT geeks that are hidden between their desk. We need people that can communicate.
That want to help a company use it.
Consulting mindset, helping mindset from the advisory to the implementation to supporting our.
And I guess some of the projects must be so interesting, fascinating to help a company use this correctly. It must be very interesting.
It is, and the technology is constantly evolving, especially at the pace on generative AI. So I do think this is quite interesting for someone to join organization because they can learn with us, and we can always learn with new people joining us. So yeah, that's really what we're looking for.